Hello everyone and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale and I'm here to share the September-October Shots of Life kit with you. So our Shots of Life comes out every other month. It coordinates with our flavors of the month, so it's a great add-on to it. But this kit is geared towards pocket page scrapbooking, or you can use it for traditional scrapbooking as well as your traveler's notebooks, your memory keeping, lots of options. When you're a subscriber to the ScrapRoom kit, you also receive access to an exclusive cut file each month. These are designed specifically for us by Cut to You, and I'll slide the little graphic in here. This is this month's free cut file, so be sure to download it so that you can use it when you're creating this month. So let's dig in. I'm going to show you everything that's in this month's kit. With the Shots of Life, you get lots of pocket cards. So these normally come in the form of 12 by 12 papers. Sometimes they are Project Life cards. And these normally always have full patterns on the back, so you can use it for traditional 12 by 12 scrapbooking. So that is awesome. So first up from Doodlebug, Seaside Summer, we have this cut apart. This is called Let's Luau, and these are the 3x4s. They go vertical and landscape, so I always love the choices. This is just one last taste of summer before we get into fall. All the fun, whimsical designs. The back is this tropical flower with pink on pink. From Echo Park Fall Fever, we have the 4x6 cut aparts. Lots of fall images, hay rides, old-fashioned farm fun, 5 cents, autumn leaves, and pumpkins, please. Love the colors. All of the fall leaves falling on that white background. Then from Simple Stories Into the Wild, we have the 4x6 elements. These are vertical and landscape as well. I love all the little critters in this collection, and this can be more than just safari or zoo. This is just run with it. This is just such cute imagery. Love this. The little animal print on the pink. From Simple Stories, the Simple Vintage Lakeside, we have the 4x6 elements. This one I love. I love how they do all of the layering for us. Cluster it all up together. We got a little canoe along with a doily, so don't be afraid to mix all of that. Isn't that gorgeous? The back is a tone-on-tone green. Then we're into Halloween. Is everybody ready for fall and Halloween? Bella Boulevard Spell on You. So this is their Daily Details paper. So these have lots of different sizes. We have 3x4 and 4x6, but we also have some 2x2s. And 4x4, so that's really fun. It's just a bunch of hocus pocus. I know a lot of people are going to be using that right now. The back is a black polka dot on orange. From Maggie Holmes Parasol Collection, we have this cut apart. This one's called Perfect Day. And we have 3x4, but then we have this one, which you could leave that all together. You could cut it apart and have labels. We have all these tags here. Some smaller little pieces. So really cute. Love Without Limits. Home is Where the Heart Is. And the back is this kind of foliage print in the blue-green. From Pink Fresh Good Times, this paper is called Gratitude. And this one, again, has lots of these odd different sizes of cards. So it makes it a lot of fun to tack in or tuck in and then layer. I just love the colors of that collection. The back is a purple grid. Then from Cartabella, Welcome Fall, we have another one with these odd shapes. These would be great to cut apart as embellishments. You could even fussy cut some of the images in here. I love the little tiered tray. Hello Fall. Just look at those gorgeous colors and that wonderful textured cardstock Cartabella is known for. The back is a fall print with the apples and the leaves and then little florals. So one more look at your pattern paper. So you can see you have all these full 12 by 12 designs as well as all of the smaller cut aparts. Then you're also going to get a ton of embellishments. So for Doodlebug's Seaside Summer, you're going to get the sticker sheet here, which has lots of options. I love the lighthouses and the palm trees, the little beach houses. For Echo Park, the fall fever, you're going to get a roll of washi tape. So this is the gorgeous fall florals. You're going to get half a pack of enamel dots from Simple Stories, and these will match almost all of the collection, so you'll have plenty to do. From Bella Boulevard, you're going to get a Bella Pop, this cute little jack-o'-lantern and the bat and some stars. For the Simple Stories, Lakeside, you're going to get 2 sticker sheets, so these may vary. But these are the ones that I got. I got the layered kind of bordered stickers and word labels, and then labels and circles. From Maggie Holmes Parasol, you're going to get a sticker sheet from that book, and those will vary as well, but this is the one I got. It has an alphabet and then little word labels on white and the aqua. From Carta Bella, you're going to get lots of embellishments. You're going to get some of the brads. So all of these will vary. If I can get this picked up, but I got those brads and a little chipboard piece, and then also some of the die cuts. So a good variety there of different embellishments. This is great. Then you're going to get one more sticker sheet. Again, these will vary, but I just love these. These are from Pink Fresh. We have some labels, little circles with words, foliage and flowers and butterflies and tabs. So that is a look at your Shots of Life for September and October. Be sure to check out all the other kits available in the Scrap Room store. Don't forget, this coordinates with the flavors of the month, and we have 3 add-ons for it. So if you're wanting more product that matches this, you could check out the add-ons. We have a cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishment add-on, so you might want to add those to your Shots of Life. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.